Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to buy USDT with PayPal. So simply you can see we have open Paxful website. So here multiple payment option available, but now we will click on PayPal option. Now here you can see these are Bitcoins. Here we will type our amount in our currency, like I am adding 10,000 in PKR. So simply after this click on find offers. Now wait for a few seconds. It will take some time to upload this site. So after this you can see here many people are trading in PayPal, buying and selling. So simply we want to buy Bitcoin with PayPal, so simply select this. Now we have selected the relevant person. Now you can check all the details here. Now what we need to do, just type the amount you want to buy, like I have typed this. Now simple, after this click on buy now. So in this way you can simply buy USDT with PayPal.